In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a menu in the Wix editor using Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome and launch the Wix editor environment for the site you want to work on. Make sure the editor is fully loaded before you begin, so all of the design tools and menu options are available. Working in Chrome is helpful here because Wix generally performs smoothly in it, which can make the editing experience more responsive and reliable. Once you're inside the editor, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where the main design panel is located. This is where you'll find the tools used to add new content and functional elements to your page. Click on the option labeled Add Elements. When this panel opens, you'll see a range of categories that let you insert different types of content, such as text, images, buttons, and more. From that panel, select the category called Menu and Anchor. This section contains navigation-related elements that help visitors move around your site more easily. Menus are especially useful for improving site structure and making important pages easier to access. Anchors, on the other hand, can help users jump to specific sections on a page, but for this process, your focus is on the menu options available in this category. After opening the Menu and Anchor section, browse through the available menu designs. Wix presents these in a selection deck, allowing you to preview different navigation styles before adding one to your page. At this stage, choose the layout configuration you prefer, either horizontal or vertical, depending on the look and functionality you want for your website. A horizontal menu is often a great fit for header navigation because it creates a clean, familiar layout across the top of the page. A vertical menu can work well in sidebars or in designs where you want the navigation to stand out more prominently. As you review the options, pay attention to the overall style, spacing, and how well the design matches the rest of your site. Once you've found the menu layout that suits your needs, select it from the available options in the navigation menu deck. Choosing the right style at this point can save time later and gives you a solid starting point for the rest of your site design. That's it for this step. You've now opened the Wix editor in Chrome, accessed the Add Elements panel, gone to the Menu and Anchor category, and picked the menu layout style you want to use.